Huawei's bold move, a trifoldable phone set to challenge Apple. Huawei is set to launch the world's first trifoldable smartphone, strategically timing the release just hours after Apple's iPhone 16 announcement. Is this Huawei's plan to outshine Apple? Speculation is rife that the trifoldable phone will be the highlight of Huawei's event. The chairman of Huawei's Consumer Business Group was recently seen with a device that many believe to be this innovative phone. Could this be the breakthrough that takes Huawei to the next level? Huawei has also teased the Mate X-T Ultimate design on Weibo, and many are convinced this is the trifoldable phone. The Mate series has always been at the forefront of innovation. Remember the Mate X from 2019? Could this new release set a new standard for smartphones? Analysts are confident this trifolding device will be a game changer. From Tech Insights noted, Huawei's timing is brilliant. By launching right after Apple, they could sway potential iPhone buyers. Could this be Huawei's most strategic move yet? With Apple's usual third-quarter sales surge on the line, Huawei's bold launch could disrupt the market. Will this be the year Huawei takes the lead? Huawei is likely to debut the Mate X-T in China, but the excitement around this device is global. Could this be the phone that reshapes the industry? Only time will tell. Ready to see what the future holds? Stay tuned for Huawei's big reveal.